You got it on?
Yeah.
And it's showing everything?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, well, this is my new iPod that I bought. And, you know, everyone does those videos where they're, like, opening up the iPod. And I used to have an MP3 player, but didn't have enough memory on it, so I went out and finally got one of these. So I thought it'd be cool to, you know, do one of those videos. Because you only get to open an iPod box once, you know. And then it's ruined, and then you've already got it open. But I took the wrapping off, and then I decided I wanted to do the video. So, this is my receipt. Expensive.
Wait, let me get a good shot of that.
Well, I don't want anyone to see where it is. Hold on. Let me fix it. There, okay. See my receipt? Customer copy. Wait a moment. Customer copy. Look at that. I bought the iPod. It was $249. Probably not the best deal, but I just couldn't wait to get one. And then the protection plan was like $50. It was crazy. And then I got a little case for it and some other junk. But that's my receipt. And so I got this cool iPod. And let's see, it comes with a cable. Requires Mac, USB, iTunes. This is an 80 gigabyte one. See, 80 gigabyte. So, assembled in China. Oh, but when I was at the store, I read on the little display that they got, it's supposed to hold like 1,000 hours of video or 20,000 songs. So I think that'd be enough space for me, because my old one was only like a 4 gig, but this is like 80 gigabytes, which is insane, which is more than my computer. So maybe I'll just take all my music off my computer and put it on here. And then I'd have like a mini computer in my pocket. Okay, but so here's the box. Alright, and they got the little pretty shiny. And I guess this is how thin it is. Okay, but I'm gonna open it now. Okay, ready? I'm gonna open it. If I can figure out. Wait a minute. Gotta get this one. Okay, wait. Okay, ready? I'm gonna open it. It's the first time I get to open an iPod box. It's coming open. Oh, there it is. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, that's just the cardboard insert. Sorry. Maybe they got the iPod in here. Let's see. Designed by Apple in California. What's all this? Oh, okay. This looks like the little stickers, I guess, you're going to put on it. And there's the, how to turn it on. Press the button. Plug it into the computer. Okay. Maybe it's in here. I bet they do this for extra protection. Let me see, what is this? Oh, so exciting. Isn't this so exciting? Well, what's this? Oh, I don't know what that is. Huh. Well, that was just the cord. This was just a cardboard thing. Where's the iPod? It was wrapped.
Did you check all in the box?
Yeah. Look, it was just like this, and then this was here, and it was. Oh my god.
What is it?
Oh my god! If I take this back to the store, they're gonna say I took it out of the box.
Well, what are we gonna do? They're not gonna believe us.
Well, maybe if I just. This is fucking ridiculous! It was wrapped! This was $250! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Calm down, okay?
Oh my god! Where's my iPod? Where's my iPod?
I don't know. So what are you going to do?
What do you mean, what am I going to do? I shouldn't have to do anything. My iPod should already be here. This was supposed to be one of those special YouTube videos, and I was gonna pull out my iPod and then turn it on, and it was gonna be all cool, and everyone's gonna be like, oh, your iPod's so cool. It's cardboard. Dude, no, don't film my face. Put the camera down. Put it down. Dude, people are supposed to be looking at my iPod, not my face. Turn the camera off. Stop. Turn the camera off. Where are you going? Turn the camera off. Where's my iPod? Where's my iPod?
I don't know.
Turn the camera off.